Hello, friends. Are you ready to change your life? Do you want to speak English? Do you want to be happy and strong? Today, I have 12 special rules for you. These rules come from a book called 12 Rules for Life by Jordan Peterson. They can help you learn English, grow confident, and reach your dreams. The rules are simple, but they need work. Nothing is free, but everything is possible. This is perfect for your English practice. So, let's start. Rule 1. Stand up straight with your shoulders back. What does this mean? Stand tall. Pull your shoulders back. Look up. This is not just about your body. It's about feeling strong. When you stand tall, you tell the world, I am ready. You feel brave. You feel good. Why is this important? Your body helps your mind. If you sit small, you feel weak. If you stand tall, you feel powerful. Imagine Anna. She wants to say hello in English. She stands tall, smiles, and speaks. People listen. They like her. Now imagine Ben. He looks down, speaks softly. People don't hear him. Who looks confident? Anna, how to use this? Every morning, stand in front of a mirror. Pull your shoulders back. Say, I am strong. I can learn English. When you walk, look up. Smile. Try it today. Stand tall and feel big. Rule 2. Treat yourself like someone you love. Do you help your friends? Do you say, you can do it, to them? Now do the same for you. This rule means love yourself. Be kind to yourself. Take care of your body and mind. Why is this good? If you are kind to yourself, you grow. If you say, I'm bad at English, you feel sad. If you say, I'm learning, you feel happy. Imagine Sarah. She studies English but makes mistakes. She says, it's okay, Sarah. Try again. She eats good food, sleeps well, and keeps learning. She gets better. Now imagine Tom. He says, I'm stupid. He stops studying. He feels bad. Who wins? Sarah. How to do it? Eat healthy food like rice or fruit. Sleep 8 hours. When you make a mistake, say, I'm learning. Study English 10 minutes a day. Be your own friend. Start now. Rule 3. Make friends with people who help you. Who are your friends? Do they help you? Do they say, you can learn English? This rule means choose good friends. Good friends make you better. Bad friends make you feel small. Why does this matter? Friends change you. If your friends are lazy, you may be lazy. If your friends work hard, you work hard. Imagine Emma. Her friends say, English is fun. Let's practice. They read books together. Emma learns fast. Now imagine Jack. His friends say, English is hard. Don't try. Jack stops learning. Who grows? Emma. How to use this? Find friends who love English. Join a class. Talk to people who say, you can do it. Stay away from people who say, give up. Good friends help you shine. Find them today. Rule 4. Compare yourself to yesterday. Do you look at others and feel bad? Do you see people speak English fast and think, I'm not good? Stop. This rule says, compare yourself to you yesterday, not to others. Why is this important? Everyone is different. Your job is to be better than yesterday. Imagine Lisa. She knows 5 English words. She sees a man on TV speaking fluently. She thinks, I'm bad. She stops. Now imagine Mike. He knows 5 words. Yesterday he knew 3. He says, I'm better today. He studies more. Who learns? Mike. How to do it. Write what you learn each day. Today, learn hello. Tomorrow, learn goodbye. Say, I'm better than yesterday. Don't look at others. Look at your progress. Try it now. Rule 5. Control your bad habits. Do you do things you don't like? Do you watch TV all day? Do you skip English practice? This rule says, stop bad habits. Be strong. Control yourself. Why is this good? Bad habits hurt you. If you don't study, you don't learn. If you control yourself, you win. Imagine Kate. She wants to learn English, but she plays games all day. She feels bad. Now imagine Peter. He says, no games. I study 10 minutes. He learns new words. Who is happy? Peter, how to use this? Make a plan. Study English at 7 p.m. Turn off your phone. Say, I am strong. Start small. Study 5 minutes. Control your habits, and you control your future. Do it today. Rule 6. Fix your life first. Do you say, life is hard? Do you blame others? This rule says, fix your life before you blame the world. Clean your room. Study well. Be better. Why does this help? A good life helps you focus. If your room is messy, you feel messy. If your life is clean, you think clearly. Imagine Sophie. Her desk is dirty. She can't find her English book. She says, life is bad. She stops studying. Now, imagine David. He cleans his desk. He finds his book. He studies. Who learns? David. How to do it. Clean your study place. Put your books in order. Study 10 minutes a day. Don't blame others. Fix your life. A small change makes you strong. Start cleaning now. Rule 7. Do important things. Do you want to learn English fast? Do you want it to be easy? This rule says do things that matter, not things that are easy. Hard work brings big results. Why is this important? Easy things don't help you grow. Hard things make you strong. Imagine Laura. She watches easy English videos, but doesn't speak. She doesn't learn. Now, imagine Mark. He speaks English every day, even if it's hard. He gets better. Who speaks well? Mark. How to use this? Study one hard word a day, like beautiful. Say it 10 times. Read a short story. Speak to a friend. Hard work is good. Choose important things. Try it today. Rule 8. Tell the truth. Do you say, I studied, when you didn't? This rule says, tell the truth. Don't lie. Truth makes you strong. Lies make you weak. Why is this good? Truth builds trust. If you are honest, people like you. If you lie, people don't trust you. Imagine Amy. She says, I know English, but she doesn't. Her teacher asks a question. Amy can't answer. She feels bad. Now imagine John. He says, I don't know. The teacher helps him. John learns. Who grows? John. How to do it? Be honest. If you don't know a word, say, I'll learn it. If you didn't study, say, I'll try tomorrow. Truth helps you win. Be honest today. Rule 9. Listen to others. Do you talk a lot? Do you listen? This rule says, listen to others. They know things you don't. Listening helps you learn. Why is this important? Everyone has ideas. If you listen, you grow. Imagine Bella. She talks but doesn't listen. Her friend says, try this English book. Bella ignores it. She doesn't learn. Now imagine Sam. He listens. He reads the book. He learns new words. Who is smart? Sam. How to use this? Listen to your teacher. Listen to English songs. Ask, what's this word? Write it down. Listening makes you better. Try it now. Rule 10. Speak clearly. Do you say, I want to learn? Or do you say, I want to learn English in 6 months? This rule says, speak clearly. Clear words make clear goals. Why does this help? Clear words help you think. If you say, I am bad, you feel bad. If you say, I need to study more, you know what to do. Imagine Mia. She says, English is hard. She feels sad. Now imagine Luke. He says, I will learn 5 words today. He studies. Who wins? Luke. How to do it? Say your goal clearly. I will learn 10 words this week. Write it down. Tell a friend. Clear words make you strong. Speak clearly today. Rule 11. Take risks. Do you stay safe? Do you avoid hard things? This rule says, take risks, try new things. Risks help you grow. Why is this good? Risks make you strong. If you don't try, you don't learn. Imagine Zoe. She's scared to speak English. She stays quiet. She doesn't learn. Now, imagine Max. He speaks, even if he's wrong. He learns fast. Who speaks better? Max. How to use this? Say hello to a stranger in English. Try a hard word, like happy. Make mistakes. Risks are good. Take one risk today. Rule 12. Find small joys. Is life hard? Do you feel sad? This rule says find small joys. A flower, a song, a smile. These things help you. Why is this important? Small joys give you energy. They make you strong. Imagine Lily. She's tired. She says, life is bad. She stops studying. Now imagine Tom. He's tired, but he listens to an English song. He feels happy. He studies. Who grows? Tom. How to do it? Look at a tree. Sing an English song. Say, I'm happy. Small joys help you. Find one joy today. Final words. Friends, life is not easy. Learning English is not easy, but you are strong. You can do it. These 12 rules are your map. Stand tall. Be kind to yourself. Choose good friends. Look at your progress. Control your habits. Fix your life. Do important things. Tell the truth. Listen. Speak clearly. Take risks. Find joys. Nobody will give you success. You must work for it. Nothing is free, but everything is possible. Start now. Say one English word today. Smile at one mistake. Take one step. Your future is big. Your future is bright. Are you ready? Let's learn English. Let's shine.